Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a DIY backpack. And if in this video, sometimes the backpack looks a lot lighter, it's because of the lighting, and here's a photo of what it actually looks like. And let's get on with the video. Okay, so I got this backpack from Target and it was only $5 in like that cheap area of the store. So first I just got some patches and I laid it out on the backpack so I would know what I would kind of like to see on it before I ironed it on. And then I just added some flowers for some nice decoration on the top area of the backpack. And the night before I made a quick layout of what I wanted and just took a picture of it with my iPad so I know what I would want. So next I'm hot gluing the flowers onto the backpack. So next you will need an iron board, and a piece of fabric to put between the iron and the patches. And if you don't want to use the iron, you could also, I guess, hot glue it or sew it on. So then basically you just press on to the backpack with your iron and just keep doing that for a couple minutes, and then just feel it around time to time to see if it's sticking on. And after a few minutes it actually should stick, because for one of the patches it wasn't sticking for a couple minutes, but it eventually got there. The next day I thought the backpack looked a little plain still, so I decided to add a yellow ribbon I found in my drawer. Next I'm just taking my hot glue gun and I'm just gluing it onto the backpack. I don't really know exactly what to call that area of the backpack, but you can just see it in the video. And I'm really sorry, but like my hair, I didn't realize it was getting into the frame, so you might see it from time to time. Now I'm just cutting the ribbon excess off, and I didn't really do it the best, so if it looks kind of bad, that's why. Next I got a tassel, and I got it from Target, and I just attached it to the zipper. It was kind of a struggle though because it broke one of my nails, and yeah. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like this video and subscribe. Bye!